Alright, this is the unboxing of Swiffer Duster Extender. Right here, as you can see, it's 2 times more trap and lock fibers than the previous version. This is the heavy duty version right here. The Swiffer, as you can see on the side, it says in this container, as you can see, it's 1 handle and 3 dusters that come inside of this. So that's pretty nice because you can use it more than a couple of times. As you can see, before I open it, it comes with a handle that actually turns. You can adjust the angle of it. Alright, let's go on the back of it. The back of it, it shows you different areas of where you can dust. Right here it's showing a television screen on top of fans. And there are a couple of different types of things. So right here it shows you how to use it. Like once you open it, you fluff, you attach it to the fixer, and then you extend. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Alright, so right here just shows you refills and also the Swiffer sweeper. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here is the dusters. Here's the extra dusters. There's 1, 2, there's 2 in there, and then there's 1 attached to it. So like what they were saying was to fluff it, however, like this, and it's ready to use just like that. Just maybe fluff it up a little bit. How you doing? How you doing? Good dog. Alright, so just fluff it up a little bit and it's ready to use, and remember the angle. So I'm taking the duster and I'm just going along the edges of this window seal, and this is pretty much how it's supposed to work right here. Just take it, you see there's a little bit of dust that builds up right here. Let me see on other places, like on top of a dryer or on top of a refrigerator. So let me give that a shot. Alright, so there's an area in between the refrigerator and the cabinet where I'm going to take the duster to get the dust from in there. And because it's so small, it can fit in the crack and get the dust. So let me try that really quick. So I'm just going to go in right here. Alright, so I'm inside of here getting the dust. Let's see what it pulls out. Yeah, it pulls out a lot of dust on here. It's really good for getting tight places right here that are really inaccessible, that need to be dust. Alright, let me try on top of the dryer now. Alright, so on top of the dryer, there should be a lot of dust because this is where all the lint comes out, and so dust builds up on the top of the dryer, and we need some way to get it off. So I'm going to use this to get on top of the dryer. Oh yeah, there's a lot of nasty. This is really good for that because I'm able to swing it up, and if I need to adjust the angle of it, I just go like that and do something like this. Alright, pretty cool. Alright, let me try one more item to dust and so I can give you a better idea. So that's on top of the dryer, getting the dust. Pretty cool. See how dirty that is? Alright, and here I'm dusting the Buddha. The Buddha collects dust, and so I'm just going to clean the Buddha, get the dust off it. Really good for items like this. So you get the back of it because it turns like this curvature. I'm able to get the back of Buddha pretty well. Look at that. Getting Buddha's back. Pretty nice. Now that's just my demonstration. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.